To cut a grapefruit, the cleanest, easiest method is to set the fruit on its side and cut it in half with a chef's knife. Then, use a spoon to scoop out the fruit inside. To cut grapefruit into whole slices for cocktails or recipes, first place the fruit on its side and cut the stem off with a knife. Then, cut the fruit widthwise into 1 inch 2.5 centimeter slices. Move your knife back and forth for each cut and keep your lines as vertical as possible. To cut quarter pieces, cut each whole slice in half twice. Try to cut along the white membrane that holds the fruit together so you don't lose any juice. If you want to cut the skin off of a grapefruit, first cut the stem and bottom ends off. Then, cut into the skin from one of the cut ends at an angle so you don't puncture the membrane of the fruit. Cut through a portion of the skin and discard it. Work in small sections and cut carefully to avoid damaging the fruit as you cut around it. Rotate the grapefruit in your hand and continue carving until the skin is completely removed.